Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut, and today we're going to be checking out the Motorola Razr Plus. This is the 2023 edition. It was on sale for $600 at Best Buy. It was $400 off, so I went ahead and picked one up to check it out. Now that my Blue Bubble server is working again and I can iMessage from Android, it's pretty easy to switch back and forth between iPhone and Android. So we're going to check this out and compare it to my Z Fold 6. Obviously, two different types of phone. One's a foldable, one's a flip. But just compare like software and experience and that kind of stuff. That's an $1,800 phone, $1,400 if you get it on sale sometimes. And then this one is $599 currently. So I just undid the tape because I'm having to do this one-handed right now. So I took that off, but I have not opened the box yet. So we're going to go ahead and lift the lid and hope it falls out because, like I said, I'm holding my phone with the other hand. And then there is a warning, do not remove the pre-installed screen protector as it will damage the display. Same warning we get with any other flip or foldable from Samsung or anything like that. So it feels like it's going to fall out of this paper. So again, doing this one-handed, so we're just going to let it slide out onto the box. Might have to put the phone down for it. Oh, there we go. So we got it out of there. We're going to put this aside for a second. Sorry for the crappy video, but like I said in my previous videos, I'm in a wheelchair right now, so I can't get up to my main setup. So I'm having to do everything with my iPhone, and I don't really have anything to put it on. So I'm kind of limited. Oop, that just flew onto the floor. Kind of limited to how I can record, but we're doing the best we can. And I think it's still worth making videos. We just have the USB cable and the paperwork in here. There's also a SIM tool in there. I don't see the spot to open it, so I'm just going to leave it as is. Actually, we might have to, there we go, pull the bottom. So yeah, there's just a USB-C cable. USB-C to C cable. Of course, we don't get a power brick. You know, same old, little information there. SIM tool, you can use a physical SIM. It does also have eSIM. And then a little information pamphlet on the Razr Plus 2024. 2023. The 2024 Razr looks like the Razr Plus from 2023, and then there is the Razr Plus from 2024, but that one was about $900, and with the new iPhone coming, I didn't want to spend that much money on a phone just to play around with, and Best Buy also didn't have any, so, you know, that solves that. So here's the phone. This one doesn't have the leather back or anything, which I'm kind of happy about. I didn't really want that. I don't like those textured backs like that. Nice glass back right here. We're going to go ahead and give it the first close there. I like the feel. I like the form factor of the Z Flip when I had one, so I'm kind of, I think I'm going to like this. Being in the wheelchair right now and kind of limited to what I can do, it's also going to be nice to have a small form factor phone like this. Of course, when I get my iPhone on Friday, which is in 2 days from when I'm recording this, I'll be using that as my main phone again, probably, but you never know, we might switch back and forth, stuff like that. So it opens and closes very nicely. I probably can't really open it without, yeah, hold on, there we go. Yeah, it opens and closes nicely. Not too much different than when I had the Z Flip. Feels pretty similar in my opinion, but we'll set it up off video. Obviously, this is just an unboxing and first impressions, but we'll set it up, and I'll come back in a later video here in a few days and compare it to how I like the foldable over this. This is my first folding device from a different brand other than Samsung. I don't really use Motorola phones too much, and this is definitely my first Motorola flip phone. So we'll have to check that out, see all the software is, see all the hardware is, and all that kind of stuff. I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.